Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to fix motor on a manual sewing machine so that it can start using electric. These are the things that it comes with. This is the engine. The one I removed before contains the wire and the nuts and every other stuff that is used to fix this properly. This is the pedal and the wires. They are joined together. You will also be needing a screwdriver or anything you can use to fix the nuts. This is a knife. I didn't have a screwdriver at the moment, so I had to use it. And this point, exactly this point where you can see, this is where we are going to input the knot. Just watch. This is the motor. You get the knot from that nylon I removed first, and then from that knot you fix the engine and then attach the nuts in that dot that I showed you before now. It's quite simple. Just make sure you are following what I'm doing. You can use your hand to fix, put the knot first, after which you use your screwdriver or anything you can use to fix the knot properly. And remember, do not put the knot, do not tighten it too much now, as you will need to add the rope I'm going to show you first before you can then tighten the knots properly. You will adjust the rope comfortably and then you tighten the knot comfortably. This is the rope. It came with the motor. You attach it on the same line that your normal manual rope usually sits, that same spot. That's where it is going to be. Then you attach it again to this place that is in the engine. When you are done, you tighten the knot. And if the knot is not properly, if the rope is not tight, it shouldn't be too tight nor too loose. And if after tightening the knot and you check and the rope is too loose, you can adjust it, loosen the knot, adjust it. Look at the way I'm doing it. I'm going to loosen the knots now because the rope seems to be a little bit loose. So I will loosen the knot, adjust the motor. I will drag it down a little. Just watch what I'm doing. I will drag it down a little, then I will tighten the knot again, and then the rope will be comfortable. It will not be too tight, neither is it too loose. If you washed it correctly, you will see the difference from what it was before and what it is now. Sorry, your English hard though. Okay, now we'll attach the wires. Just make sure you're following the steps. There's two different strands of wire in this pedal. You're going to attach one. This one would be 3 dots. This is the one you attach to the motor. You attach it correctly and make sure you press it hard. You push it in so that it will be solid. When you are done pushing it in, the next thing is to plug the other end in your socket or extension, anyone you have. Plug it in your socket, then we can use the pedal. Just watch. I'll fix my machine back so that it will be comfortable for me to sew it. I'll then plug this wire. I'll plug it in my socket, then adjust the pedal wherever I want it to be. Anywhere that it is comfortable for you, keep it there, and then when you match it, just listen. When you remove your leg, it stops, and when you want to sew it again, match on it, scroll the wheels slow, and it will start sewing. It's quite simple. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.